Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
5,000-year-old recipe, ISKCON's delicious Khichdi, revealing the secrets of an ancient complete combo meal. It's in harsh cold winters that our bodies crave for a high calories, nutrient, protein, fiber loaded diets which become the requirement of the hour and the day. This reminds me of one 5,000-year-old recipe of a complete combo meal of whose two ingredients grow in my kitchen gardens. But before that, Om Shri Ganeshaya Namah, may he bless us all with knowledge and understanding. And now for two important ingredients of this recipe growing in my kitchen gardens, that is a small radish and a handful of cilantro or parsley leaves. Garden fresh, of course. And now back to the kitchens to cook this 5,000-year-old ISKCON's Khichdi, the complete combo meal recipe. Wash, rinse and then soak the rice. I am taking 125 grams and water, of course, from any natural source, and then set it aside for some time. Now vegetables: carrot, capsicum, cabbage, cauliflower, beans, radish, potatoes, peas, ginger, green chilies or any other vegetables of your choice, which must be 250 grams or twice the weight of the rice. If you remember, we had taken 125 grams of rice. Now take green chilies and ginger, add to a blender and blend into a coarse paste. And this is what it should look like. When done, set the coarse paste aside till to be used. Now aag lagao. This is what we chefs love to do the best. Now split and skin green gram or yellow lentil or moong dal 125 grams. Dry roast this dal or the lentil till it changes color to reddish brown and a woodish nutty fragrance fills the air. It's done. Set aside the dal till to be used. Aag lagao once again. As I said, the chefs love to do the best. Add filtered cold pressed mustard oil or desi ghee, but I will say use desi ghee. And now take whole spices and condiment. Sun-dried red chilies, bay leaf, cardamom, star anise, cinnamon, cloves, peppercorns, cumin seeds, mustard seeds, fennel and coriander seeds as per as quantity shown above. Powdered and grounded condiments and spices I'll tell you later. Now add and roast all these whole spices and condiments at the same time and roast them well. Now add all the vegetables except green peas, cabbage, capsicum and tomatoes and stir well. Stir well and stir well. And allow the vegetables to saute well till they become soft. Continue to do so and stir well. And when the change is evident, now add asafoetida, most important, and green chili and ginger paste that we had made, remember? And stir well, and stir well. Now add the capsicum and stir well again. Stir well again and stir well again. Add the tomatoes and stir well again. Stir well again and do stir well again. Now add the roasted, split, skinned green gram yellow lentil or moong dal and stir well. Stir well and stir well. Add turmeric and stir well again. Stir well. That's the secret of this recipe. Stir well. Cumin powder and coriander powder and stir well again. Stir well. Stir well and stir well. And now let me show you the right and hygienic method to rest the ladle when not in use. Yes. And now add hot water from any natural source in 2 batches of half each. And stir. Stir well. Add other half of the water and stir well again. Now add red chili powder and stir well. Stir well. And now add the cabbage and stir well again. Stir well and now strain the rice. Use a strainer or a sieve and strain the rice well. Now patiently wait for the vegetables to come to a good rolling boil. A good boil there. When it starts to come to a boil, that is the time when we add the rice. Now add the rice and again stir well. Stir well. Now add the green peas and sea salt or any natural salt as per as your taste. And stir well. Stir well and stir well. Now taste and add corrections if required, if any, and this is most important. Yes, salt was less, so a little more salt added. And in the meantime, it's boiling. Our pot is boiling. That's a good sign. Now reduce the flame to low or sim and allow to cook. Stir well. Intermittently check for doneness and consistency. To improve consistency, add more hot water from any natural source in 2 batches, exactly as we had done earlier. And stir well. Once stirred, allow to cook continuously on low flame or heat or sim till desired consistency is achieved. Stir well, cook continuously on low flame or low heat. When desired consistency is achieved, taste to check and add corrections if any. This is very important. ISKCON's delicious khichdi looks almost perfectly done. Now, cut a lemon and add its juice. Half first and now for the other half. Sprinkle freshly roasted and grounded cumin powder. Stir well to mix well and add cilantro or parsley leaves and stir well again. Stir well. ISKCON's khichdi is ready. Switch off the heat or the flames and rest the ladle once and for all now. Now to serve. Plate the ISKCON's delicious khichdi in a bowl or in a plate as you would desire, but I am using a bowl. When done, serve the khichdi with a dollop of butter or desi ghee, whichever you may prefer, and enjoy the ISKCON's khichdi with all your enemies too.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy, and eat healthy.